Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to reply to an email in Gmail with ease and confidence. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail on your desktop and make sure you are signed in. From your inbox, scroll through and click on the email you would like to respond to. Once the email opens, take a moment to read it carefully. Understanding the content is key before start typing your reply. Next, look towards the top right corner of the message. You'll see a reply icon which looks like a backward arrow. Click it and a reply box will appear directly under the email. Now go ahead and type your response. Be sure to address any questions or comments and keep your message clear and to the point. If needed, use formatting tools below the text box like bold, italics, or bullet points to highlight important details. Before sending, take a moment to review your message. Double check for typos or missing info to make sure your response is polished. Once you are happy with it, click the send button at the bottom, and that's it, guys. You've just replied to an email in Gmail. It's a simple skill, but one that makes all the difference in staying connected. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.